Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up Dark Tunnel VPN with V2Ray settings. This is a great way to add an extra layer of security and privacy to your internet connection. Using V2Ray can help you keep your data safe and ensure a more stable and private browsing experience. Let's jump right in and get started. Step 1. Install the required apps. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. First, we need an app that can create V2Ray accounts. Search for SSH VPN app and choose one that you trust and install it. This app will provide us with the V2Ray details we need. Next, search for Dark Tunnel and install the Dark Tunnel VPN app. This is the app we'll be configuring. Step 2. Create a V2Ray account. Open the SSH VPN app you just installed. Look for the menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines or dots. Tap on it. In the menu, find and select the V2Ray Vmess option. This will start the process of creating your V2Ray account. You'll now need to choose a continent where you want your server to be located. Options might include Europe, Asia, South Africa, etc. Select the continent closest to your actual location for better performance. After selecting a continent, you'll see a list of available server locations. Pick a server location from this list. To proceed, you'll need to create the V2Ray account. Look for and click on a button labeled Credit Account or something similar. You'll be asked to enter a secure password. Choose a password that you can remember and enter it in the designated field. Click on the Create Account button to create your account. Be patient while the app generates your account details. This might take a few moments. Once the account is successfully created, you'll see the account details displayed. Scroll down until you find an option to copy the TLS account details. Copy these details to your clipboard.
Step 3. Configure Dark Tunnel VPN. Open the Dark Tunnel VPN app. You should see the app's main interface. To import the V2Ray account details, tap on the 3 dots, vertical ellipsis, located in the upper right corner of the screen. Select Config. Select Import. Choose Clipboard as your import source and tap OK to confirm. This will import the V2Ray account details from your clipboard into Dark Tunnel. The configuration will now be imported into the app. To further optimize your connection, you can update the address field with your country's SNI, server name indication. This can help improve connectivity. You can find a suitable SNI for your country with a quick online search. After making any changes, tap Save to store the updated configuration. Step 4. Connect to the VPN. Now that everything is set up, it's time to connect. To start the VPN connection, simply tap on the Connect button. And that's it. You've successfully set up Dark Tunnel VPN with V2Ray settings. Your internet traffic will now be securely tunneled through the V2Ray server, enhancing your privacy and security. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and join our Telegram and WhatsApp communities. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.